Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a tablescape for two in a nautical theme. So come on with me, guys. Now the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and wipe this table down. And I'm using the awesome wood cleaner from the Dollar Tree. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays. Now Tablescape Tuesdays is my favorite time of the week. It's every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So Tablescape Tuesday today has a guest, and it's Pure Elegance by Kim. I am so happy to have her as a guest, and her theme was a beachy decor. Now, as in all collaborations, we always practice YouTube etiquette. So after watching Kim's video and my video, please head on over there and show Kim some love over at Pure Elegance. She's got a beautiful channel. I absolutely love her inspiration on tablescapes and home decor. All right, so I have this beautiful lace runner that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. And then I have this tea tray that was already decorated in these tones. Beautiful. I thought I would go ahead and place it on one corner. And then the other corner has this beautiful DIY vase with these wildflowers, lavenders as well. And this was a DIY nautical vase that I specifically made for this collaboration. Isn't it gorgeous? I'm loving it. It's not too loud with the colors. It's very subtle, and I love the starfish. So of course I love the roses and I love the color white. Now in the plus section of the Dollar Tree, I bought this beautiful, absolutely beautiful little box, and it is mirrored at the bottom, and I decided to fill that with seashells. Okay, so I had this little, almost like a little trinket box here. I usually use them as candle holders, but not today. I purposely put that on there because I'm loving the bow theme that's coming out now. And the Dollar Tree was carrying it, so there it is. Okay, so the floral ball was also a DIY, and of course I purchased the chubby birds at the Dollar Tree along with that candle holder with the votive that I just placed down. Now we're going to get to the place setting. Aren't these dishes absolutely gorgeous, guys? I am loving it. The chargers came from the Dollar Tree, the place setting came from the Dollar Tree, and those leaf placemats came from the Dollar Tree. I am so excited. This is such a budget-friendly tablescape, and it looks so beautiful. Now, the flatware did come from Home Goods. Then we have the white napkins, and those were thrifted, and they're Nautical napkin rings. And so we're pretty much almost done. Once I finish placing this flatware down, we're going to go ahead and light the candle, and then we're going to head on over to the reveal. Now, if you guys get a chance, that glassware did come from the Dollar Tree, and it's nice quality. I love that hint of blue, so it matches perfectly with this tablescape. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.